How to check credit score on Barclays banking app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can check the credit score on Barclays banking app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon if you found this video helpful. So you may just go to the Barclays website, or you may just download the Barclays application from Play Store or any other app store that is available on your device. After that, you just need to log in into your account. So, in order to check the credit score, there are certain methods that you need to follow. When it comes to credit score, there are three main credit references agencies in the United Kingdom's Barclays. Those are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which is also formerly called Credit. Each of them uses a slightly different scoring system because all of them have scores on different similar criteria. So, in order to check your Experian credit score, you'll need to register for the free 30-day trial of Experian's credit expert service. It's a bit more effort, but it's well worth the time. So you may just go to Google. After that, you may just click on this link that says credit expert, and then you will need to register for the free 30-day trial for the Experian's credit expert service. So what your full credit report will provide you is specific details about how your score was determined, and it is also a good way to check for any errors that might be lurking on your credit report, which could adversely affect your credit score. Another one is your TransUnion credit score. So in order to check your TransUnion credit score, you can check it by going to the TransUnion. So you can also access the TransUnion and Equifax credit reports at the same time by registering for a 30-day free trial of Check My File. Just make sure you have a look at their terms and conditions before you register. And if you want to continue with the service beyond the 30 days, a monthly fee would apply. So in order to get all these links, you may just come under barclaycard.co.uk and you'll be able to go to those links by just clicking on this blue underline words on my screen right now. And the last one is Equifax credit score. In order to check that, you may also go register for a 30-day free trial for this as well on their subscription service. Same as others, you should check their terms and conditions carefully for this one as well. And if you choose to continue with the service beyond the trial period, a fee would apply. You can also access your Equifax credit score and credit history without fees or subscribing any service through the Clear Score. So that's it. So these are the three credit score you can check from the Barclays banking app. So that's it. And therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.